In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your Ubisoft Connect activation code for any Ubisoft game you've purchased on Steam. If you run into any issues while following along, just drop a comment and I'll try to help you out. Before you start, make sure you're logged into both your Steam account and your Ubisoft Connect account. If you're new to either platform, just create an account and follow the setup steps. It's straightforward. All right, let's get into it. First, head over to your Steam library. At the top of Steam, click on Library, go to Home, and find the Ubisoft game you want to activate. It can be anything: Far Cry, Assassin's Creed, The Division, whatever you have installed or even not installed. Right-click on the game, and you'll see a list of options. Select Manage. Under this menu, Steam will usually show an option that says CD Keys or Activate with Ubisoft. If the game isn't installed, the option might look slightly different, but it will still appear once you click Manage. A small window will pop up, showing your activation code. Just copy that code. Next, open Ubisoft Connect on your PC. Click on your profile icon, and from the sidebar, select Key Activation. Paste the activation code into the box and hit Activate. And that's it. Your Steam purchase is now linked and unlocked inside Ubisoft Connect. If your code doesn't show up in Steam or Ubisoft Connect gives you trouble, don't stress. Ubisoft support can help sort it out, or you can ask in the comments and I'll do my best to guide you through it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your game activated smoothly. Have an awesome day.